What's up guys, Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I'll be showing you the best strategies for trading Memecoin. Whether you're a beginner or you've been trading and you've not been having any success, I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks. Possibly you'll be able to get something out of it that will help your trading. The very first thing we'll do is to come on the S screen now, and then we'll have to filter these tokens. The very first strategy is to buy established tokens with a high market cap or a reasonable market cap, and just look for an entry based on technical analysis. I'll show you all about that. And the goal is just to get in and out within a short time. So the very first thing you do when you come on their screen now, you click on this is boosted. Boosted means that the token developer has paid to gain more visibility on their screen now. So you likely see it among trending. So it means that the token developer has paid for it, which shows a bit of seriousness on the part of the developer. Means they want it to have a lot of visibility and all of that. So what you do is you click on is boosted. You could add other filters if you want. You could say market cap of 1,500,000 minimum. You could say token age. Most times I recommend maximum 12 hours, but you could also not do that and just look at it in general, because this is like a broad overview kind of thing. So you're not you don't want to limit yourself, you just want to look at it based on overview. So we may want to filter out, let's just put a time filter. Let's say um coin age, let's put maximum, say 6 hours, then we apply. So when we do that, we will then see the tokens that the maximum age is 6 hours, or better still, we could just change this and let's make it 12 hours. I think based on the fact that we want to use technical analysis to do the trading, so okay, 12 hours is fine. So the first is Pluto. Let's open this and let me show you how this works. So in this particular strategy, you're buying kind of a fairly established token. It's not like you're buying something that is just new, like new creation on BullX. I'll also show you how to do some certain things on BullX. So you're not buying something like new creation or about to migrate stuff. You're buying something that has been proven to be to be a runner, as in may not be massive, but as in it's proven to run. So all you have to do, the strategy we're using is a trend line break, a bullish MACD histogram, and an RSI sitting above 50. That's what we use as our entry signal. So the first thing, let's use this as an example. Let me, let's use this as an example. Okay. So we'll use the rail tool. Click on the rail tool, put it here. Okay, you could see this. So this was it, a breakout. This was a breakout and a retest of the lowest level before a breakout. This is pretty much basic technical analysis. So a breakout and a retest of that area, of the last area to the downside before the breakout, which is pretty much basic. So the first thing we do, we've drawn the rail tool. Then the next we do is to look at the RSI. So we want an RSI to be around 50, above 50 and above 50 before we can get in, and a MACD that is bullish. So what we'll do, we click on this RSI settings, then we remove the upper limit, we remove the lower limit and we just click on save as default. Okay, so you could see at this point what we're doing is we want an RSI that is above 50. So then we would add the MACD, we'll add the MACD to it. So we want something, so after the breakout, a retest of this region, we could see that the MACD is bullish. RSI is not confirming yet. So here we could see the RSI around 50. The MACD is showing us um, a bullish sign. This is an opportunity to get in right here, but it was still not certain because oftentimes you have things like this. So another thing you could do is just to put in a horizontal line like a range, um, vertical and horizontal, sorry, horizontal top and bottom, then a breakout above it, and then you could enter. You will not make a lot of money if you wait for too many confirmations, but you will still make, because a breakout above this region, let's take a ruler, let's look at it. Up to this point, you will still make over 35% or more. You get, but if you were looking at this range and you looked at it at this was the bottom of the range, spiked to the top, came down, came to the top again, came down. As long as immediately you notice it's a range, you could have bought in at this point, or you wait until it was confirmed that this was the bottom, where the MACD histogram was showing a more stronger bullish outlook. You could have gotten in here. Then from here up to this point, you would have made about 75% profit. So this is how you do it. You use trend line breaks, RSI about 50, then a bullish MACD histogram. This is how you do it, guys. That's the strategy. That's how you do it. That's the very first strategy. Well, the next strategy is to track profitable wallets and then buy what they buy. For you to be able to do that, you have to go to this website called birdeyeview.so. So when you come to this site, you will see profitable traders. All you have to do is to look for Solana wallets like this. You copy it. This is another Solana wallet. This is another Solana wallet. So let's copy this very first one. Then we'll come on BullX. You come to wallets. This bullets wallet tracker, then you add wallets, just call it profitable trader. Then you paste the wallet address, then you add this wallet. So it means you have added that wallet, and you will see it here. Wallet tracker is showing you 5 out of 300, allows you to add about 300 wallets. So you see, you could put an alert here if you want. Maybe you say if the person buys any new token, then there should be an alert. So you see, this trader just sold a token called gone. Gone again, buy or sell, sold, gone, sold, gone. Okay, person is taking profit off of the token called gone. So any buys from the person? No, there's no buy. It's just sell, 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 sell. So this is how it works. You copy profitable traders, but mind you that a lot of these traders have a lot of transactions. They do a lot of transactions, and you may not be able to keep up, but you might be able to find something that's worthwhile. So that's another strategy. I was just looking for a buy, um, but I didn't see any buy. I think this guy, okay, okay, this is another wallet. This is another wallet. Um, but for this profitable trader, I've not seen any buy, it's just sell. So I have some other wallets I've added in time past. So this one bought sell Gilga, about $4,000 worth of it. So maybe something you may want to check out. Just click on the token symbol, then it opens up for you. Then you can just look at it, see if it's something you may be interested in. So you see, boom. So this has gone up, literally the same concept, a breakout of trend line, to the upside. So that's pretty much it. Um, then the very third strategy, um, is to trade with the trend. And how do you do that? You do that by using filters, using the right filter. So what you do is, whether it's about to graduate, just avoid this new creation. You come to about to graduate or graduated, then you use filters. um you could say, dev holding maximum 3%, insider wallet supply max 10%. This, for me, this is what I use. My filters are very tight. So volume minimum of 5k, market cap of 10k, token age minimum of 3 minutes. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at tokens that I can ride to the upside right when the market cap is still low. So what I look out for is, when I open a token like this, I want to see an uptrend. This is not, I don't buy something like this is not an uptrend. So I like an uptrend. I want to see an uptrend. I want to see it going. This is not an uptrend. I want to see something that looks like an organic uptrend. So something that is just making a higher high, a higher low, and I will just dive into it. So you could also do the same for the graduated section. The filters are pretty much the same but a bit different. Dev holding is 3%, insider wallet is 5%, volume is 10k, market cap minimum 50k, token age 20 minutes. So let's Elon. Okay, another one just came up, so I'm taking a look at it. Let me see if I can see a token I'll show you that has an organic uptrend. And this is not it. It's not something I like to get into. So you see, most times it takes a lot of time to be able to get something. So let's open the graduated section. Let's see if we can get in, because the graduated section has tokens that are pretty much established. So you could use the technical analysis method that I shared earlier for this particular section. So you could see a break out of trend line. You could add other filters. Maybe you want to analyze this better on desk screener. Just come here. You um, you paste it here. Paste the contract address here. Just paste the contract address here so that it pulls it up. We'll be able to do better analysis here compared to on Bull X. So let's do 1 minute. So you could see, could add our indicators. MACD, let's look at it. Okay, MACD has nothing, it's not showing us anything because token age is quite token is quite new. Let's look at RSI, see if it's showing us something. Well, RSI is above 50. So this could be something to get into, but I feel it's already kind of late now. could have gotten in right about here, um, just before it broke the trend line. You see, could have gotten in somewhere around here. So when it broke here, it was already showing an RSI of 50. So you see the strategy. So and from here to from this place of breakout up to the top, we have about 41% to the upside. So you see, well, that's pretty much it. Um, Let me see any other token. I really wanted to show you how the strategy of filters work. Just want something that is in an uptrend, then you dive in, ride it a bit, and you get out. So if you want me to trade meme coins live, I can do that. You see how it works, but it takes time because my filters often doesn't generate signals on time. So this is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.